Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial with the beautiful model Beatrice again. And today's look, I really don't know what to call it, but I'm just loving this new palette that I bought from Juvias place, and I'm just playing around with colours, so let's just call it that. So I'm just playing around with neutral colours, so I guess that's what it's going to be called. And Beatrice will be having a hair tutorial on the look that she's wearing right now, and she's going to have other videos, so go check out her channel. I'll put the information down below. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this video. So as usual, I've already done part of one eye, and I've done her foundation, I've done her skin prep off camera, and I've highlighted underneath the eye that I'm working on right now. So I've done pretty much a lot of the makeup off camera. I'm just going to be doing mainly the eye and the highlight and contour on camera. That fight is so funny. Or not even fight, just argument. Yeah. I won't even say argument, just encounter. Yeah, like you encounter someone.
But like if I was willing to fight her, like she really would have been like she's just really ready to go, like.
And this way.
And I do, and I'm always like when those people try to think about what people going through. So
yeah,
like you said, I
you just never know.
And I should take the opportunity to bring it.
The palette I'm using now is actually the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the dark brown colour to just create this smoky effect. And I was just totally freestyling. I really don't know what I was doing, but it came out really good in the end. I'm using MAC's Carbon Black Matte Eyeshadow, and I'm using it in the corners of her eyes, and I'm going to create a slight cut crease, not too sharp, just a slight cut crease, and this is going to be like smoked out, so a smoky neutral eye is what I started to do. But I didn't want a sharp cut crease, just a very smoky cut crease. So I'm now smoking out this eyeshadow with that dark brown again. I'm going back in and I'm just going to smoke it out and blend it into the black. Using the MAC Carbon, I keep saying Carbon eyeshadow. So I'm using transition color to just blend the eyeshadows together and go back in where I had it, because as you're doing makeup it kind of does disappear, so you have to keep. So I'm using now the Juvias Place palette, Masquerade palette, to add that highlight colour in the tear ducts of her eyes on both sides. So now I'm going back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe palette, and I'm using that colour you just saw called Lolly on her lids, and I'm going to mix a bunch of colours on the lids. So I'm just blending everything out, and I've already added like the eyeliner. I did that off camera. Time for some lashes. So we're done. Here's the final look. I absolutely love it. For something I didn't plan, I just freestyled it. So this is using the Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, and the name of the palette is called Masquerade. I absolutely love this look. It's just freestyled 100%. I can't even know if I could do this look again. I don't think I can. I love it. This is this nice full smoky look with neutral colours. So Beatrice is going to be doing a hair tutorial based on this look. She's going to be showing off some hair. So head to her channel. I'm going to put the link down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you liked about this makeup tutorial and what makeup tutorial you'd like to see next on my channel. Thank you so much for watching once again, and give this video a big fat thumbs up, share it on social media, and if you're new to my channel, as I said, subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye, lovely dolls.